Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter number 30 and the lessons we're going to cover today are prime and composite numbers, prime factorization, prime factorization with exponents and divisibility rules. Okay, so here I am on grade 5 math. We're going to start with the chapter number 3. The lesson we're going to start with is prime factorization, prime and composite numbers. Let's just start with the lesson. So let's just start with the first example. That is 20 a prime number or a composite number? So first we are going to learn what are the prime numbers and what are the composite numbers, right? So prime numbers are the one that have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, right? Factors are the numbers that you multiply to make us. That means the prime number is a number that can only be divisible. So 2 is not a prime. The correct option is prime number. 2 is a prime number because the only factors for the number are the numbers 1, 2 and the number 1 and the number 2, right? A prime number. Hello, can you hear me? That is 14 a prime number or a composite number? So which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 14 is not a prime number, right? 14 is a composite number because 14 has more than two factors. They are 2 times 7, so 14 is a composite number. The correct option is composite. Okay, the next one is 17 a prime number or a composite number? So which is the correct option? So 17 has only two factors, 17 times 1, right? We don't have any other number that when multiplied makes 17. So 17 is a prime number. The correct option is prime because 17 has only two factors, one and the number itself. So that is the prime number. Is 8 a prime number? Which is the correct option? Is 8 a prime number? Is 9 a prime number? Composite number, right? 3 times 3 is 9, so 9 is a composite. The correct option is composite number. Yes. No one is answering the questions why 9 is a composite number. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 3 a prime or a composite number? So which is the correct option? The correct option is hello. 3 is a prime number, right? 1 times 3 is 3. So 3 has only two factors, that is 1 and 3. So yes, 3 is a prime number. The correct option is prime. Is 12 a prime number or a composite number? So which is the correct option? The correct option is no, 12 is a composite number, right? Because 12 has more than two factors, so 12 is a composite number. 12 is a composite number, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is prime factorization. The next lesson is prime factorization. So the first one is, what is the prime factorization of 6? So basically prime factorization means all the numbers that are in the product, like all the factors are the prime number, right? For example, you have to make, what is the prime factorization of 6? You have to make the factors of 6. So how do we make the prime factors? Whenever we have to make the prime factors of any number, we have to divide the number by the prime number. Like here you have to find the prime factors of 6, so divide 6 with the smallest prime number, right? So 6 can be divided by the smallest prime number 2, so the answer is 3, right? Now you have 3, divide 3 by the smallest prime number, so when you divide, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So the two factors, prime factors, are 2 times 3, so the correct option is 6 equals 2 times 3. Option number, the prime factorization is 2 times 3 equals 6. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Let's see how do we find the prime factors, right? Let's just start with the test questions. So the first one is, write the prime factors of 4. So how do we write the prime factors? You have to divide the number by the, like you have to find the prime factors of 4. So you have to divide 4 by the smallest prime number that can 2 be divisible by. 4 divided by 2 is 2, right? Now you have to divide this 2 by again 2, so 2 divided by 2 is 1. So you divide it 2 times, right? That is 2 and 2, so that means the prime factors are 2 times 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is 2 times 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. That are the prime factors. What is the prime factors of 5? So prime factors of 10. So which is the correct option? That is 2 times 5, right? The correct option is 2 times 5. The prime factors for 10 is 2 times 5. Why no one is answering the questions I am asking, right? So you are not allowed to do irrelevant chat in the chat box. So no more chatting. What is the prime factor of 15? So factorization of 15. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 times 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. The prime factors of 15 are 3 times 5. What is the prime factor of 6? So, which is the correct option? That is 2 times 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 2 times 3. What is the prime factor? Position of. What is the prime factorization of 4? Which is the correct option? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is prime factorization with exponents. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, what is the prime factorization of 4? So we just learn how to make the prime factors, right? Now we are going to learn how do we write them in the exponent form. So the prime factors for 4 is 2 times 2, right? So how do you write 2 times 2? You can write 2 times. That means you have to multiply how many times? Exponent times. Yes, exponent is 2, 2 is multiplying 2 times. So that is 2 times 2. So basically, we know how to make the prime factors, right? So you just have to make the prime factors. Then you have to write them down in the exponent form. So exponent form is, what is the prime factors of 4? The prime factors of 4 are, that is 2 times 2, right? The prime factors of 4 are 2 times 2, right? You can write it as 2 exponent 2. That 2 exponent 2 means you have to multiply 2 times, right? So the correct option is the last option. The prime factors of 4 is 2 exponent 2. Option number 4 is the correct option. Okay. What is the prime factor of 6? Factorization of 6, which is the correct option? That is 2 times 3 is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is, what is the prime factorization of 10, which is the correct option? The correct option is 2 times 5 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Yes, that is 2 times 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. The prime factors of 10 are 2 times 5. What is the prime factorization of 4, which is the correct option? The prime factors of 4 are, I don't know why, what's wrong with these sounds? Where they are coming from? The correct option is 2 exponent 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the prime factorization of 25, which is the correct option? The prime factors of 25 are, yes, that is 5 times 5, or you can write it as 5 square. What is the prime factorization of 9, which is the correct option? They are 3 times 3, right? Or 3 square, option number. Yes, that is 3 square. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is divisibility rules. That is very important lesson. The correct option is divisibility rules. Basically, what are the divisibility rules? So, you don't have to actually divide any number by the other one to check if they can divide, right? You have to apply a test that is known as divisibility test, and if the number, they are different for the different numbers, So from the divisibility rules, you can see if the number is divisible by the given number. So for example, the first one is 17,266 divided by 5. So you need to apply the divisibility rule for 5, right? The divisibility rule for 5 is either the ones digit is 0 or 5, right? If the ones digit, that means the rightmost digit is either 0 or Yes, that is 5. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with the mic. I will fix after the session. So we'll do the divisibility rules in the next session, right? Sorry, I just forgot. Okay, you can. We'll do the divisibility rules in the next session, right? So we were working on grade 5 math. The chapter we were working on is number theory, and the lessons we have covered today are prime and composite numbers, prime factorization, and prime factorization with exponents, right? So please make sure before the next